Making an LLC can give many business owners the upper hand when it comes to liabilities, taxes, and overall flexibility, among other things. And while the notion of hitting the ground running with your awesome business idea is cause for excitement, you'll want to pull in the reins for a moment and follow a series of steps to ensure that your LLC is ready for success and within legal bounds. With that, let's go over all of the steps you'll need to create your LLC. First, what is an LLC? In the United States, you can classify your business in a number of ways, depending on its characteristics. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a form of business with special regulations, which include shielding members from certain liabilities, which isn't possible if the business is a partnership or sole proprietorship. LLCs are relatively simple to create and manage, and unlike types of corporations, taxes pass through the business directly to the members, which avoids instances of double taxation. Steps to creating your LLC. Choose your state. You can actually base your LLC in any state, but you'll likely want to base it in the state in which you will be conducting all or most of your business. This is because if you operate in a different state, you may have to register as a foreign LLC and may be subject to more fees. However, some strategically choose to base their LLC in certain states for the purpose of saving money. Pick a name. Before you go to the trouble of making logos and business cards, you'll need to perform an LLC name search on your state's database to see if the name you've chosen is already being used by another business. But take note, if you think of a name very early on, you can pay a small fee to reserve it if it's not already taken. Choose your registered agent. A registered agent is the LLC's point of contact for important legal documents. Whether it's tax information, lawsuit notices, or other types of government correspondence, the agent is usually a trustworthy and always available member of the LLC, but can also be a business entity that provides registered agent services. It's important to have a reliable registered agent, as missing government deadlines and notices can put the entire LLC at risk. File articles of organization. Depending on your state, articles of organization may also be called a certificate of formation or a certificate of organization. These are short documents that collect basic information about the business, including business name, business address, names and addresses of managers and main members, name and address of the registered agent, and a statement about the purpose of the business. Write out an operating agreement. Operating agreements lay out all of the rules for a business's financial and functional decisions, which, among many things, include work-related responsibilities for members, as well as how profits are divided. An operating agreement may be the most important document you will ever make throughout the life of your business. And even though some states don't legally require them, they are an essential part of your company. To get you started, we have a very thorough 16-page pre-made template that you can access at the link below. Licenses and permitting. There are 3 last things that you want to do to get your LLC in compliance. First, you'll want to head to the IRS's website to apply for an employer identification number, which helps the IRS keep track of a business's tax returns. Do this even if you have no employees. Next, find out whether you need to apply for a business license or special permits at your county or city level. Lastly, if you're selling any type of good that requires you to collect taxes, or if you have employees, you'll need to register for a TIN, or a tax identification number. We're eForms, the biggest online database of legal documents. Access your legally binding templates for LLC operating agreements for any state at the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos.